Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ka Executive Committee Jonka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council hadu menta kala I no objection certificate hadu santali sha ki karkhana sandoyong ki badan harilom Jaintia. Yakani la pentib do Chief Executive Member Jonka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council uba Thombor Shiwat haba juba dia kejengkeli balawanra do MDC kaliang Persha uba Auhai Andrew Shulai hakikenta kali jingkeli hak dorbar telang ke basisngi Jonka Council. Kini ki santali ki no objection certificate baka council kala a ki karkhana sign renga doyong ki long nado ka shitarik ubnai yayong arhajar arpuway hado kalai puway terik ubnai risau arhajar arpuway.
Then how much of that grant are we supposed to receive?
This is the first, Mr. Chairman, sir. The amount that they received initially, the first course was for the Protect Dam, because our only to 6 crores in July 3000. And again, for the first term of the Protect Dam, that's also under process we are receiving very soon.
Mr. Chairman, my understanding that 6 crores in July 2000 is a one-time grant which we have received. Yes. Because in the last session, Mr. Chairman, I have asked this question whether the state government has released that grant or not. So I want to know now, till now also, the government has released the site grant to us. It's still under process as. So may I know, just one completely resolution, may I know this 50 Finance Commission fund which we have received? What is the Special Committee planning to spend this? Is it equal to everyone or what is the purpose of this? Where to spend this money of the finance received by us?
I want to make a clarification in that. The money is already released by the government. Is that like now we are process the commissioner and it will be registered at PO. So very soon the money will reach the funds are down. So in regard to the question asked by the member, during the fund to be utilized here and there, that we will have a meeting very soon with one of the committee and we will see and we will observe and we will be on the observation.
Thank you, Mr. Member. For this reply, hopefully for that type plan also we will be able to get and be able to help the people in the constituency. My question number 2 is, will the Executive Committee be pleased to state is there any trading license issued from the period 1st September 2020 to 30th October 2021? If yes, the answer is yes, and the list has been enclosed. The list has been enclosed. It is a very long list, and it is different types of service. What may I know from my observation in the traveling in the highway nowadays? I have seen lots of trucks with the name of Star Cement in the truck vehicle. But I have not seen any trading license issued by this council this year. Any trading license issued to Star Cement to conduct the transportation business. If we search, while traveling the road, we know now we can search for the number. Many of the trucks belong to Star Cement. But when I look at the trading license has been issued here, none has been issued to I haven't seen any trading license being issued to Star Cement for transportation business. So may I know, will the EM in charge, may I know what is the Star Cement applying the trading license, or will it, how can the trucks apply the work without trading license?
Regarding the question asked about the work with of Star Cement. So, till date we have not issued any trading license to the Star Cement. Sebenarnya itu Tasman and even Odon club owned by the cement company have not received it. So we have not issued any license.
Check station in different exit point of the district to check the trading license. Now, there are more than 200 trucks applying without trading license. What action has the district committee been taken on this illegal transportation of I don't know what transport clinker or what, without valid trading license? What other steps has been taken from the district committee?
Any action that if any clubs detected which is playing without any license, then the department will take stand action as per the rules and regulations.
Mr. Chairman, I request this kind of illegalities in our district to hamper the prospect of future business of businessmen and janitors also. This type of business which can be done by local people also. I request not to issue the license to this task. So my third question is, will the Executive Committee be pleased to state how many NOC for setting of pork factories have been issued by the Council from 1st October till 1st October? The answer is 5. After seeing all those the problems that Stoke factory has been causing to the environment and to the people of Costa Rica, I want to know, before issuing this NOC, has the Executive Committee sat and the joint Executive Committee yang bicara yang dicek yang kriteria yang conclusion from board.
Ini isu yang ini ke NOC, lalu dia di DOI dapat Ibrani ada departemen boleh inquiry boleh check. Dia boleh katakan tidak akan katakan katakan depan DOI. Ada di dalam check ni wajah di court dan buat tujuh komplain buat objection. Nanti dia beritahu yang berbuat dalam isu ini.
Jadi there is a problem with factors the one saying. Kalau soal NOC itu kalau soal kami berbeza dia apa NOC. Kau output, nah, NOC yang bah, key items juga, key items, buku yang NOC, buku mentoi NOC. Key items NOC, MG announce di council mah, MG bershare revenue. Jadi juga ini dalam revenue sharing ini dan bawa tax soal ini untuk ekor items yang NOC.
Kami teman-teman yang komiti dah berkait bahwa kenal dengan social model apa NOC declaring misalnya bah 100% laga jinjok yang kira laga i mantuan baru mudah kali impor kimat ni sesuatu depan dia orang lagi terus dari you usul potam ni. Tapi hari tidak tinggi naga tu ke submission yang i 100% naga tu sulit dah. Buat cara. But this matter we have already discussed in the SP committee, and also we have trusted our department to have a joint inspection along with that CCID.
Masih UN berkaitan border. Penito isu kewa sepeda. Penito kajindu untuk iwal jantia mulai isu kelam ini dari bentar kajindu orang kajing kajap ke India dijat dulu. Kini kata 10,000 ekar, 1,000 ekar untuk di kata dan so imja di bro yang itu lima petenya mulai kami masa besar nas yang si orang ini orang buat against di bahawal itu komiti kita berkata dengan kita dengan orang CM Honorable CM inspection, joint inspection, one CCID, repair and revenue appeal issue. Oleh issue no, yang menurut saya, dengan wah ini, to ini dan ini draw dah ini. Kita isu di mulai kita concern of Ilaka and the people affected land which are lying sitting there. Please, Honorable CM and my dear friends, in this August House, Honorable PM also, this is issue kaya ketinggian ini. But one House yang 6 hajar hektar, 2 hajar hektar, tahun itu bentuk kami hindu ini. Terwadi itu kami dapat kubuat, mani, ni, kesini. Honorable Chief Minister Lembaga Kalukaya, wujud ke Assam, ke border dispute, dua itu orang gini di Arli State, the tribe, the you were on the Chonggi. Solve the problem. The border, the elect the minister of kami, the issue quite bahas, the land acquisition, provision, work up. So, empat dari ulam cewa. Wa kamu klaim ke jingit chonglang yang baiklah the person yang dilekat masa ngampung kata kerja kuat karena itu dengan burung kedapur kemat yang gas house wa honorable CM please masa try to perlu deal dengan ini wa elected member yang betul tahu kaya soalnya umahnya kuat ini ada lagi tahu ngaku yang amso kita senang juga positif senang dan nambah kawan mana dekat CCI kamu master Charles please you can nampak kateri kerja sempat not oppose master CCI
Kenapa kita umum? Mula ada LUC kawan kong berada isu ada berlaku. Mau tiba kalau membuat tiba. Jadi sudah ada undang. Lalu sungai yang ini dicicim dek. Tekan dicicim dua yang pun ada dicicim negara government. Dan tak semasa yang ini dua penman ini dua isu dia ni dikrai mari hal kurang dari sisi memang kamali di kopi gila motivasi hal ini ke pressure wujud kenapa kita membuat semasa bahwa ini yang ini bentang ini international border ambil dua saking bahwa nanti kita manusiawi cuma isu hal ini kita ada contoh di Indonesia
pressure the pressure let's see now America kami local UPC Deputy Commissioner of West Jaya Hills the one who seeks the opinion of people nara ulang mereka someone you accept or not ya dalam compensation even only is okay we are not opposed the border fencing untuk Bangla buat dunia penbaca honorable CM tetok Deputy Commissioner berkualitas dalam kerja dekat kampung ini orang yang dimiliki oleh DC Deputy Commissioner untuk sarkar kampung CM pressure ini kan Deputy Commissioner ini tim yang kuat orang yang dengan tepat komisi yang dan mana institusi kami terus nyawa bersedia support ibu hektar tercetai buat ini
biar kita asal berlomba kamu orang beliau bisi madalah lain cem berpat di cem orang manfaatkan untuk pembaik boleh beliau sahaja orang ni for ujung tu orang kehal ujung tu bisi wasan ikan cinta jadi boleh senang teman ada tak kalau mantan teh tak semasa naklah ini bisi atau lupa kembali kalau tak ini bukan sedekah mau masih apa tema ngabis kalau di jika ini kita berbeli tak sebetulnya
committee, how many acting wage loans are there in the last contract of the bar 2021?
Revenue well, Chipawaja we, the law in the MMDSOC for stoneholder. Begin stoneholder, the president of Sila Sanjani, but the renewal that I done. Protect of the rate order, Jimmy Louis.